Good morning, I'm Shobna. I'm from Maratho, and I completed my bachelor's degree in Maryland Engineering College with the focus of computer science and engineering. After finishing my college, I chose to join QSpiders. After coming to QSpiders, I attended SQL with architecture, and which was makes me strong in SQL, and Java with neighbor Disa, which is gone for 3 months, and it is good and make me strong in Java. And in front end I have learned with Tamil Selvan sir, and through going through and I have learned within React.js also, which makes me strong and able to build me the responsive websites and using React.js. After that I did backend like with Amit sir, which makes me strong and